Welcome to Matidor. Let's explore how to manage map layers, an awesome way to organize your workspace and projects. First, click on a project and open your Layers panel, which is located on the lower right side of the screen. You'll see Workspace layers and Project layers. Workspace layers are for your entire workspace, while project layers are specific to each project. Toggle layers on or off by clicking the eye icon. Super handy to focus on just what you need. Click the arrow next to any layer name to reveal further details or sublayers, giving you more control. To add new layers, hit the Options menu and choose Import Layer. You can upload WMS, KML, KMZ, Shapefiles, or even spreadsheets for project layers. Rearranging layers is easy. Simply open Arrange Layers from the Options menu and drag your layers into the perfect order. And that's how you master map layers in Matidor. Keep layering, keep organizing. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.